but they are only having curing the diseases from medicines. Nowadays medicine. But what if we can use yoga as well, Ayurveda as well?
First feature which you were saying about the serious like backward.
All the features are there in different apps, but we have clubbed it and also introduced her some ideas to make it different from.
And of course, it is in real time monitoring of the health of the person, and in that it is not so accurate and so in a real time maybe, because I have seen many of the other apps not measuring the heart rate or BP level in real time, but this in real time.
Thank you, Tanista. Now I would like to call the second contestant, Dhanav Sarma, writer, topic, Chai Support. Please come on the stage and tell us your idea.
All of us have heard Kumbh ke mele mein khoya bhai. Well, no more use of such phrases due to the solution being presented by me. Imagine a child who is under 2 or 3 years old and is lost in the crowd, or an individual with mental disabilities who cannot communicate their name, address, or even a phone number. The fear and the uncertainty in such situations is concerning, and without a way for them to communicate, everything seems impossible, and the risk also increases significantly. All it takes is a quick scan of the QR, and the person's vital information will be instantly available, uniting families again. And do you know the best part of the QR is that the prices of QR is affordable. Like the bracelet is from rupees 40 to 50, the locket is also from rupees 40 to 50, and ring and the glasses cover and the rings and the glasses cover is from rupees 10 to 15.